Hello everyone, I am Dr. Padma, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics from Vardhaman College of Engineering. Today we will discuss the topic work done by a force in vector calculus. Coming to the definition of work done by force. Work done by a force. If F bar, capital F bar represents the force acting on a particle moving along the arc P1 to P2, then the work done by F bar during the displacement P1 to P2 is integral P1 to P2 F bar dot dr bar. This is the definition of work done by the force. We will solve the problems on this model. So the question is, find the work done by the force F bar equal to the vector function F bar equal to 3x square minus 6yz into I bar plus 2y plus 3xz into j bar plus 1 minus 4xy z square into k bar in moving particle from the point 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1 along the curve. So they have given the curve x equal to t, y equal to t square, z equal to t cube. Coming to the definition of work done by the force, the definition is integral C F bar dot d r bar, F bar dot d r bar. So from the question, F bar equal to 3x square minus 6yz into I bar plus 2y plus 3xz into j bar plus 1 minus 4xy z square into k bar. This is F bar. Now dr bar. So dr bar is dx I bar plus dy j bar plus dz k bar. Since we know that r bar equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus z k bar. So then dr bar will become dxi bar plus dyj bar plus dz k bar. If we do the dot product of these two, F bar dot d r bar, so we get 3x square, I bar dot I bar will become 1, so we get 3x square minus 6yz into dx plus 2y plus 3xz into dy plus 1 minus 4xy z square into dz. Now we have to perform single integration and they have given the curve x equal to t. So we have to convert all x, y, z to t terms. So they have given x equal to t means from this dx equal to dt. Next they have given y equal to t square. If y equal to t square means dy equal to 2t dt. And next they have given z equal to t cube. Z equal to t cube means dz equal to 3t square dt. So like this we will convert x, y, z and dx, dy, dz to t terms. So we have to take the limits also to t. So from the given points all are varies from 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1. So we will take t varies from 0 to 1. Now we substitute all these values. So now therefore work done by the force equal to integral t equal to 0 to 1 now. So this is F bar dot dr bar. From this wherever x, y, z are there we have to convert them into t terms and dx, dy also we will convert into t terms. Now 3x square, x is t. So 3t square minus 6y, y is t square, z is t cube into dx, dx means dt. Next plus 2y, y means t square plus 3x, t, z means t cube into dy is there. What we got dy? 2t dt. Next the last one plus 1 minus 4x is t, y is t square, z is t cube whole square dz. dz is 3 t square dt. Okay. Now, we have to simplify all these things before doing the integration. So, t equal to 0 to 1. Now, 3 t square minus 6 t square t cube, we will get t to the power of 5, and dt in all we will take common, plus, so 2t square into 2t, 4 t cube, plus t cube, t, we get 3t, 3 into t, 6 we get, so 3, 4, 5, t to the power of 5. Next, plus, and the last one, 1 into 3 t square minus 3t square, 1 into 3t square, 3t square. Next, minus, we will get 12 t to the power of, all this one we get 11 dt. Now, so we will do the integration. 3 t square will become t cube by 3 minus 6 t to the power of 5 will become t to the power of 6 by 6, plus 4 t cube will become t to the power of 4 by 4, plus 6 t to the power of 5 will become t to the power of 6 by 6, plus 3 t square will become t cube by 3 minus 12 t to the power of 11 will become t to the power of 12 by 12, and the limits are 0 to 1. Now, so all the numerator, denominator 3, 3, 6, 6, 4, 4, 6, 6, 3, 3, 12, 12 will get cancelled, and if we simplify, we substitute the value 1 in t place, we will get 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1. So, finally the answer is 2. Now, we will solve the second problem. This is the second problem in work done by force. So, find the work done in moving a particle in the force field F bar equal to 3x square I bar plus j bar plus 2z k bar along the curve defined by x square equal to 4y and 3x cube equal to 8z from x equal to 0 to 2. Now, integral C F bar dot dr bar is the work done by the force. So, before that one, F bar they have given 3x square I bar plus j bar plus 2z k bar and dr bar equal to dx I bar plus dy j bar plus dz k bar. So, if we do the dot product, F bar dot dr bar equal to 3x square dx plus dy plus 2z dz. So, now they have given the curve x square equal to 4y. So, we will convert all the y terms to x here. So, x square equal to 4y means implies 2x dx equal to 4 dy. From this, dy equal to x dx by 2. Next, they have given the curve 3x square x cube equal to 8z, 3x cube equal to 8z. So, from this z equal to 3x cube by 8. So, if we do the differentiation, dz equal to 6 x cube will become 3x square means 9x square by 8 dx. So, we have converted y and dy, z and dz to x terms. Now, the limits also they have given, x varies from 0 to 2. Now, we substitute all these values. Before substitution, we can substitute here also before taking that into the integration. So, f bar dot dr bar is 3x square dx plus dy is there. So, dy we got x by 2 dx plus 2z, 2 into z is 3x cube by 8 dz, dz is again 9 by 8 x square dx. Now, if we simplify this and taking dx common, we get 3x square plus x by 2 plus 6 into 9 by 8 into 8 x cube x to the power of 5 dx. Now, we do the integration. So, therefore, work done by the force integral C f bar dot d r bar equal to limits are x equal to 0 to 2, x varies from 0 to 2, 3x square plus x by 2 plus 6 into 9 by 864 we get. Next, x to the power of 5 dx. Now, if we do the integration, you get 3 x cube by 3, x will become x square, already 2 is there. So, we get 2 into 2 4 plus 6 into 9 by 64 into x to the power of 5 will become x to the power of 6 by 6. Limits are 0 to 2. So, substituting the upper limit and lower limit. So, upper limit if we substitute 2 cube plus 2 square by 4 plus 6 into 9 by 64 into 2 to the power of 6 by 6, and lower limit is already 0. So, no need to substitute that one, we will get 0 only. So, if we simplify this one, we get 8 plus 1. So, 6 2 to the power of 6 and 64 will also get cancelled plus 9. Finally, the answer is 18. This is about work done by force. Thank you.